And first at 5:30, my friends, Massachusetts State Police say they have fired Trooper Michael Proctor. Of course, you may remember he was the lead investigator in the Karen Reed murder case. He will still be allowed to testify at the upcoming retrial, but not in his role as a trooper. Good to see you once again. I'm Dan Janey.
And I'm Emily Voles. This retrial is scheduled in less than 2 weeks, but the defense has just filed a motion to push that back until the end of April. NBC 10's Katie Benoit has reaction from his family and law enforcement experts.
Michael Proctor dishonorably discharged from Massachusetts State Police for violating the rules. After 3 days of trial board hearings, Proctor was found guilty of unsatisfactory performance and an alcohol charge.
I really don't see where Colonel Noble had any other decision to make other than termination.
You may remember he read inappropriate texts on the stand he sent about Karen Reed and the investigation to friends and family. Trial board documents say his conduct created an image that he was biased in his dealings with the homicide suspect and/or brought himself and state police into disrepute.
How serious is that?
Well, anytime you see this type of behavior coming from public safety, regardless of the agency, the general public is their trust is going to wane.
Proctor was also found guilty of driving his cruiser after drinking at dinner. His family saying in part to NBC 10, "We are truly disappointed with the trial board's decision, and it scapegoats one of their own, a trooper with a 12-year unblemished record." Proctor is a potential witness for both sides in the second trial. Reed's team has him on a list of 91 names that could be called.
I've never seen anything like this, not to mention on such a high-profile case. When you have the lead investigator that will be testifying as Mr. Proctor instead of Trooper Proctor, that obviously is going to give some level of advantage to the defense.
By law, all trial board decisions can be appealed to the Civil Service Commission. Katie Benoit, NBC 10 News.